nyo at sa inyong present.
Yan, thank you. Pwede na kayong rumampa. Pabalik sa room nyo. Sa chairs nyo yan. Maraming salamat. Wow! Pinag-ibigyan talaga nitong dalawa.
I think we can have the raffle for 50-50 raffle. Right now we are around $170.
Wow.
Sorry. Wala nga eh.
Can you please move forward to get the third place there? Alright, are you ready for the second place?
Sayang ko yun, hindi ka naman sumali.
For the second prize, we have the most excited. Number 13, the police walk.
Yay! Number 13. We will have the $25 and Jubilee will give you another $50. Okay, before you announce the grand prize, let me call in Ate Aubrey, who is our $50 sponsor, and of course, Jubilee will give another $50 to make it into $150. Sana si Jubilee. Okay, are you ready to announce, Roderick, the grand prize?
So the grand prize we unanimously choose. It was really hard. You all guys had an amazing costume, but with this one, she all had the accessories and she was great. So the winner is number 40.
Our winners. Until we destroy them, picture muna kayo. Let's have a big giant picture. Thank you to all our contestants for joining. Thank you so much. Okay, picture.